What's going on, guys? Today we got the Gator Jigsaw. We got a really nasty burn spot right there, so I'm just gonna eat all of it but that. I'm not missing out on these peppers. See how the inside looks before I say anything. Oh yeah, we good. We are good. Smells good. Check out that interior. Really, you can really see that mustard coloring right here in the placenta. Well, cheers. Really smooth taste. It's a smooth, almost kind of fruity taste. Then it went really grassy. Not quite sweet, but close to it. I know that sounds weird, close to sweet, but no bitterness. Only a touch of floral. It's really grassy and fruity. Yucky spot. So all the other flavors dissipated. It was just kind of a little bit fruity and grassy for the whole rest of the pod. It kind of all came in at once in the beginning. Fruity, grassy, almost sweet. No bitterness. A little bit floral. Heat's building. Right now we're at a 2. It was a really good one. I really thought that one was going to be hotter. I had read a lot of stuff about how hot the Gator Jigsaw is, and some people were even saying it was hotter than the Reaper. 100% disagree with that. Hey, bud. Why the butt? Hey, buddy. 1 second. Why don't you step into the pepper? Zeppelin. He decided to make an appearance. So on the heat, we're registering at about a 3. That's where it's staying. That's all it went up to. Kind of feels like it's creeping towards a 4, but can't really tell if it's going to actually go up there or whether it just feels like it's rising. It's more just, I think what it is more spreading around my mouth. I can feel it. It's working its way back. It started more up front, and it's actually going out and around my mouth. Feel it on the roof of my mouth, slowly creeping back. Cat. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't think it's really going to do much more than that. Because it stopped moving. It stopped right at the back of my mouth, right before the throat. Almost like a circle around the back of my mouth. near the uvula. Uvula? Whatever it's called. Pepper stuck in my teeth. Yeah, it was a good one. Very good. All right, guys. Burn daily.